Hey guys, today we're going to talk about simple addition. Adding is when addition, or also known as adding, is putting groups of things together for one sum. And so, for example, this is what an addition problem would look like. 1 plus 2 equals 3. All right, so let's look at this. This is called the candy store. There was one lollipop, and then I bought another lollipop. So how many am I going to have all together? Right, 2 lollipops. Because if I buy one and then I have another one in my hand, now I have 2 lollipops. Good. Now we're in the frog pond. So I have 1 frog. Ooh, 1, 2, 3 frogs plus 1 more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 more equals 4 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4 in all. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Under the sea, we have 1, 2, 3 fish plus 1, 2 equals 5. So let's see. 1, 2, 3 plus 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, outer space. 1, 2 moons plus 1 more moon equals 3. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Ooh, cookie time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look, we have 1, 2 plus 1, 2 equals 4. Very good. All right, guys. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Remember, addition is just adding things together, bringing groups together, and making one sum.